Hey, this is Dr. Cruz from Podiatry, and we are shooting this in portrait mode so that I don't have to edit anything to get it on IGTV because it takes hours for me to do it. So we are going to shoot this in portrait, not for YouTube, but for IGTV. All right. So we have an ingrown toenail here. It's actually on this side. That side looks worse just because it's culminating the betadine prep. But this side's actually the side that's ingrown. So we're gonna free it up, take it out, burn it, and so it doesn't come back. Of course, this patient unfortunately has suffered multiple ingrowns to this nail, so it justifies our permanent procedure. Let me know if anything hurts, okay? Here we go. No pain, right?
Nope.
Good. No pain, right?
Nope.
Good. Good, 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 good. All right. Just a little wipey wipe. Little blood, that's okay. All the way back. All right. There we go. No more ingrown. All right. Good. I'm just gonna double check to make sure nothing's stuck in there. Good. Good. Now we're gonna apply the what is this called? Sodium hydroxide. Strong base to cause a chemical burn to the nail matrix, which grows back here. So a lot of people think the nail's alive. It's not. The nail's actually dead. The only part that's alive with the nail is back here. Actually, if you ever look at your nail, the proximal nail fold, and you see that white little moon-shaped thing, half moon, that's called the lunula. That's where the active cells are actually dividing. At least that's what they told me in school. I believe them. There. Killing the matrix. And you've been through this before. Did they use a chemical or did they burn it with a laser or what did they use?
Chemical.
Chemical, yeah, so same thing. Except they probably used phenol. I think sodium hydroxide has a longer shelf life than phenol. And I think we are good. We're gonna dilute it with the vinegar. There. Yeah, very little vinegar.
That's not vinegar.
That's it?
That's not vinegar.
Oh, good. Well, that would have been interesting. Wow. No, that would have been a first. You would have definitely had a dead toenail. Okay, I was about to put more sodium hydroxide on it, so that'd be fun.
Would have had that problem.
I would have to wipe it off quickly so it didn't burn you. So, luckily, we averted that crisis. Let's see here. There. Are you allergic to anything?
No.
Okay. I'll put a little bit of whipped cream on your foot. No, it's not actually whipped cream. It's Blvd cream. I know that all we're gonna be like, really? Put frosting on his toe? No, it's just Blvd burn cream because we burned him on purpose, right? So there we go. That's it. Pretty uneventful, right? In 3 weeks or so, it should be all good, like normal looking. First week or so, you're gonna drain, so you got to make sure that you keep it clean and dry and soak it per our instructions, so that you don't have any complications, okay? This is Dr. Cruz, another successful ingrown. Patient's gonna come back happy with no pain for the rest of his life, and we will see you next time.